Hi everyone, today we will be making heavy chocolate cake. So we need flour, castor sugar, water, curd, butter and cocoa powder. All the measurements will be mentioned in the caption below. Also baking soda and baking powder. So in a separate bowl, take your butter, remove everything really very well. After that we'll remove our castor sugar. Make sure it's castor sugar. We'll whisk this together. Now we'll add in our hot water. Mix it really very good until it's soft. Now in another bowl we will mix our all dry ingredients, that is all purpose flour, cocoa powder, baking powder and baking soda should be fresh. Always remember, do not use your old ones that are at home from a longer time. Use the fresh one. Now baking powder and baking soda, mix it all together. Once you mix your all dry ingredients, add your curd. Add the butter, castor sugar and water mixture to it and give it a good mix. If you feel your mixture is too dry, add in a cup of water and mix it again. Scrape down all the excess from your bowl and mix well. Your batter is now ready and you can bake it at 160 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or until your knife comes out clean. Now in a 6-inch baking tin, I am greasing it with oil, just oil. I'm not putting any parchment paper. I usually do like this only. So you all can try it out too. Remove all the batter in it nicely and place it equally. Now let's make ganache. For that we need chopped chocolate. Yes, and we need Amul fresh cream. You need to heat your cream until it comes to a boiling point. I have microwaved it for 1.30 seconds, so you can do that too. After that, we'll remove our chocolate in it and we'll just place it like that only for 1 minute. Just let it set together, and once that is done, we are going to mix it all together. After 1 minute, you can come and see that the chocolate has nicely melted with the cream, and now you can give it a good mix. Just mix it until you find no lumps in it. Keep on mixing until it's silky smooth. Yes, that is what I'm talking about. Silky, shiny and smooth. With the help of knife, just dig in the corners. If you're not sure how to remove the cake, take your cake board and just flip it over. Your cake is going to come out clean that way. Again, if you want to make it rightly straight, take another board, place it up on that and just flip it over again. And you have your straight cake there. With the help of cutting knife, I am cutting up the excess portion, top portion. I don't need that. I am just going to put one layer ganache on top. So I'm just keeping this aside. Now it's ready to get ready, by the way. So you need to sugar syrup it first. It's just a simple sugar syrup that I've used. Now we are going to place our ganache on top of it. Nice and smooth. It's really very tasty, guys. Just try it out once and you're going to love this recipe. Now with the help of spatula, I'm just spreading across the ganache. And it's just a simple way to do that. Just go round and round and now just do a messy look on top so that you can garnish it with whatever ingredients you have at home. I had some pistas and hazelnuts, so I used that.